แก้วนาดน้องเจ้ายอดบัวขายเป็นต้นฝ่ายไหนล้านหน้าก่อนอยู่คนละทิศดังจิตผาจารร่วงโรยสังขารราคะจึงเป็น
Alam mo ba nagpakamatay sa ALJ dati?
Hindi eh, ano ba yun?
Pakamatay dahil sa pambubuli sa kanya.
Tara, gusto ko rin malaman.
Tara sa library. Dito ko nabasa yun eh.
Sabi ni George yun.
Nagigigil ako sa'yo! Sana mamatay ka na!
Pinapasa pa. Di ba bawal ang halagang hayop sa eskwelahan?
Kuya, alam mo ba, kulang na kulang sa araw ng babae na yan eh.
Hindi nga inaalagaan ng magulang niya kasi nga pasaway na bata. Alam mo, may putok ang pakabaho.
Malaki ka na lang ganyan.
Ganyan mo na.
Dapat sa ginagawa mo lagi. Palagi ka na lang ganyan. Hindi ka na natuto. Umuwi ka na lang palagi ng gabi. Umuwi ka naman ng maaga. Kailangan bang palagi ka lang pagsasabihan?
Siguro may lalaki yung anak mo yan.
Ewan ko.
I'm Ekang Malari. I study at Eduardo Alhoson Memorial High School. I get bullied every day in school. Sometimes I can't take it anymore because of the pain I feel. When I go home, my parents beat me up. Not tried like me. I hope that won't happen to me, who is experiencing suicide. Will never happen to you. So I hope to avoid bullying people, whether young or old. This is my way to escape the problem and avoid people criticism. I will kill myself.